Mask required, y'all, when you come out here. Oh, you right there. Oh, he got that thing looking clean, y'all.
Scary
He said you scary. Good morning. Let's get it. Let's go, y'all. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And then follow me on all the social media platforms, y'all. The links are in the description below. And then smash that notification bell. That way you can stay up to date with what I have going on. And I got a whole bunch of links, man. Go check them out. They are in the description below. So we rocking, we rolling, we moving, we grooving. Say what's up, dudes.
What's up, YouTube?
Oh, Aiden said something today, y'all. I can't believe it, man. He said something. He ready. We gotta go get to these blue faces, y'all. So we on the road. I got my bro trailing me in a Suburban behind me. And we got an appointment, man. So we got a couple appointments set up, but hopefully we knock this one out at a park, the early one, because we are having a winter storm starting at like 12:30 today, man. So it's been a lot of snow this last month and a half, and it's been making it a little difficult to sell cars. But you know me, man. I'm gonna push through it, keep on moving and grooving, man. But also, yeah, man. So obviously, man, that chick, she flaked out on us completely. The lady from yesterday. So I mean, it is what it is, y'all. And as you know, man, if you got the supply, then eventually it's gonna sell. So let's get on this road, man. Let's get to it, and then hopefully, we have a positive outcome.
Taking out. He's spazzing like he got this fast. Woo, woo, woo. I'm up. We up. I'm
So I'm at the office and they on the test drive. So wait on them to get back. Hopefully we get this thing sold. Make some blue faces. Let's get it. Money face, y'all. Made it happen, man. So it's Blue Cheese Saturday. Made some money, man. So Suburban's going, y'all, and now we rocking, we moving, we grooving. Got my bro Mike in the guy, and y'all know about the boys. They in the back. The youngest one then woke up. I see. So man, yeah, man. So we getting ready to get to it. We got to go pick up this the Chevy Impala that's at Chris's, and then we are about to drop that off to the detail shop. So that's about to get detailed, and then I guess I'll show y'all what the other Impala is looking like once we get there. He said it's going to be still wet, so it's not ready for pickup. So that's fine, man. Like I told y'all before, we get ready for this winter storm, and it's going to get a little hectic. So we're just trying to knock out as much as we can and get to it. That way we can get back to business once it is time, man. But I'll see y'all in a second. Let's get it. Right, y'all. There, my brother Mike. I'm talking about you, dude. And why you got your stain? This dude. I know y'all peeped that stain on the back of his shirt, man. This kid's crazy. What's up? It's turned out to be a family day, man. So we just rocking, man. Just picked up my bro's truck, and then we're gonna have Chris knock that out. He needs some manifold gaskets put on there. So like I told y'all, man, we're just trying to keep stuff pushing. So squeezing that in while we a little slow, getting some of this personal stuff done, and also keeping it moving, man. So yeah, man. I'm just, hey, Suburban's gone. I said that like 100 times. I'm happy about that. Saturday blue cheese. Saturday blue cheese. We make a song. But yeah, man. We just rocking. So see y'all in a second, man. All right, y'all. We made it to Chris's. Time to pick up the Impala. And we dropping off this Cadillac, man. So I forgot. I don't even know if both of these Impalas that I got are both colored or not. Gotta tell. Well, here's the Impala though. No, this one's gray. The other one is blue. The other one that I got. So, hey, also, man, I'm gonna give y'all a surprise, man. This might be coming to the channel. That Cobalt. Just letting y'all know, man. We got a little deal that might be going on in a second here, and we will know very, very soon, man. So we good here. car started up. New battery installed, baby. Oh no. This is the second time this has happened to me, y'all. Need the alternator, man. No bueno. Y'all leave this one here, y'all. Oh, the battery light went off. That ain't a good sign, though. Gotta go ahead and just get the alternator. Oh, man. I don't know. I gotta holler at him, man. I'm gonna have to have him test this alternator real fast before we pull off. So, you guys, what is going? What? Look at you. Do you wanna be on the video? Spaghetti back, looking boy. All right, y'all, man. So, ended up we are taking the Impala out there. Looks like the alternator's working, so we're just gonna see what happens. If anything happens as far as like us having to replace it, then of course we're gonna take care of that. So y'all know how we rock, man. So getting ready to hop on this highway again, get out here to Eric's. I'm gonna show y'all that car, and then let's see what he got cooking over there, man. Let's get it. All right. Yeah, detail shop, y'all. Dropping off that pretty joint right there. Get that right. Let's see what this guy up to. Mask required, y'all, when you come out here. Oh, you right there. Oh, he got that thing looking clean, yo.
Scary
He said you scary.
What up, bro?
What's good? Oh my God, look at that, y'all. Oh man, he did his thing on that. Look at them rims. Okay, all right, Eric. I had thought you had lost it a little bit. Okay, he back in again.
The person that lost it got fired.
Oh, I got you. Nah, this is clean, man. He got it right. Man, look at this, y'all. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. This car looked dirty. I know y'all remember this car. Yeah, Eric, man. Okay. I haven't been this excited in a while, man. Yeah. Yeah. That's cool, man. Yeah, man. So we good, man. I'm gonna get this. It's still drying or whatever. And yeah, man. I think this is gonna sell. Like for real, y'all. Because this thing is 10 times better than what it was, and 10 times better than what I expected. So that's dope. He got some more stuff out here going. So that's dope. Hey, also, man, if anybody need a job or you got detail experience, hit me up. DM me on Instagram because he's gonna be hiring. So DM me on Instagram and then I'll plug you in. He's located in Maplewood, Minnesota now. So DM me, I got you. But you gotta show up for work, man. So I'm saying, you gotta be dependable. Yeah, he doing this thing, man. This thing clean too. So yeah, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. I'm gonna holler at these guys. Just like that, y'all, the day is over, man. Another successful, blessed day, man. I could not ask for more. So had a good time, man. Of course, had my kids with me, had my bro with me. Had a lot of bonding going on in this car, man. So that's just dope, man. So I just hope everybody is staying safe, man. I hope everybody is having a blessed, successful week, year. And that continues, man. I hope you continue to prosper, and I hope I do as well, man. Shout out to all the positive energy. You know, I'm gonna say that all the time, y'all. Shout out to y'all for keeping me going. And yeah, man, I'm just glad I got home before it got a little bit too crazy, man, because the snow is coming down. I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like, man. So you see that ground, man? We're supposed to get 3 to 6 inches. It's still coming down, y'all. So you're supposed to get 3 to 6 inches. And then tomorrow, obviously, we're gonna have to shovel all this stuff out. I'm gonna have to go out to the lot and then get all the snow and stuff off the cars. Hopefully I can get out there before the plow truck get out there. That way we can get all the spots shoveled out, so that way we're not getting stuck anymore. So, you know, I'm just gonna keep on moving and grooving, keep on pushing, no days off. You know, all money in is basically what I'm trying to do, man. So just trying to keep this stuff moving, man. That's all I really can say, man. But I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. I don't know. I might turn this one to a 2-day vlog. I might not. I don't know. We got to see how long of a video we got, man. But until then, I'm out. Peace.